Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shabnam Chaudhary. I'm working in Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate English Secondary School, Vashi. Today we are going to see from Standard 5th subject Maths. Before I going to introduce the chapter name, quickly we will see a small story. Everyone, please listen to this small story. On a relaxed afternoon, Harry looking for Teddy. Teddy looking at some numbers. Teddy tell Harry that I never seen such big numbers and doesn't know how to read them. Teddy tell Harry that they find Eddie and ask him to explain the number to them. They find Eddie and show him the numbers. They ask him if he can help him to understand these big numbers. Eddie say he will help them. So, student, today our topic name is number work. In Indian system, when we try to write a big numbers, we need to know how many place values are there. But before that, before start what is a place value, first you have to learn or we have to understand what is mean by digit. So digit are the parts of a number. For example, 920. So here 920, how many digits? 3. So digit are the parts of the number. As many numbers are present, that means it is on a digit. Similarly for this 4, 6. How many digits? 2 digits. Now, as you know the place value, for example, suppose in our classroom, in our school, for let us take the example of school, we have 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and then for 5th we have A division, B division. In that A division we have roll number by students. Similarly, in Indian numeral system, there are some place value for the numbers. So the place value is U, T, H, TH, TTH, L, TL. These all are the starting symbols. So first we will see what is mean by that. So U means units, T means tens, H means hundreds, then thousand, that is TH, TTH is 10,000s, L is lakhs. Similar is goes on. Now have a look at this example. 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 6. How many digits? 6. So 6 digits number here, and we have to write in a proper place. But before that, the way of writing of this number is wrong. How you going to write the number? 7, 64, 5, 3, 6. Below there is one table. In that the initial symbol of all the place values are written. So we have to start writing, or we have to put the proper digit in the proper place value. So first is 6, then 3, then 5, 4, 6, and the last is 7. So students, always remember, when you're going to write the place value, you have to start from the right hand side. Because while writing, how we can write 7, then 6, and maybe because we are going to write from the left hand side. But while substituting or while writing the place value, we have to start from right hand side. So 6 is unit, 3 is tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Now suppose next example, 4, 73, 225. Again we will draw the table that shows the 6 digits, and quickly we will put all the digits in the proper place. So here 5 is unit, 2 is 10, then 100 is 2, 1000 is 3, 10,000 is 7, and 4 is lakh. So it's very compulsory or very important thing. So you have to start from the digit from right hand side. Now suppose this is example 8, 75, 375. Here our table, and quickly we will write all the digits in the proper place value. See how all the digits are coming. Start from the right hand side, 5, 7, 3, then 5, 7 and then 8. Here you have to write this in terms of number, in terms of words, not in terms of number, in terms of words. So while writing the digit or number, you have to start from left hand side. For putting, when you are going to put the digit in the proper place, you have to start from right, but for writing that digit in the number or in the word, you have to start from left hand side. So as you can see from left hand side, our first digit is 8. So here we have to, and the place is L. L is lakh. So you have to write 8 lakh. Then 1000 and 10,000 together you have to write. That's why the comma is given. 8 comma, that means 8 lakh. Then 7 5 comma. So we have to write in terms of 1000, 10,000. So in 10,000 it is 7, then 5. So you have to write 75,000, then 375. Next example, table with all the place values. Then 7, next is 3, 4, 0, 5, 1. As you now know the importance of this comma to separate the place value. 1 comma, that means lakh. Then 50, that indicates the thousand place. Then 437 indicates the 110 and unit. Now we have to write this number in words. So we will start from 1. So 1,50,437. Now if you're going to write in this way, 1,50,437, no, this is a wrong way. 400, then you have to write AND, A-N-D, AND. Next question, 3,24,851. If you want, you can draw the table, or if you want, you can directly write the answer. So here the left hand side, the first number is 3 and the place value is 3. So I'm going to write 3 lakh. And after that it is 24,000 and 10,000 place. So I'm going to write it is 24,000, then 851. If you want, you can see here how the place values are written in terms of in a short way. And here the answer is 3,24,851. Next question, and here the answer, 2,03,174. Next question, answer is 6,47,851. Now see the next example, 9,0,999. Is this answer is right, student? No, this is a wrong answer. 9,09,999. So where in the place, if in the place value, if zeros are there, no need to write with in terms of place value. You can skip that term and directly you can write 9,999. So if you're going to write with in terms of 0 and then place value, your answer is wrong. How you can going to write in this way, 9,999. See the next example question. Both the answers you have to write in your notebook. If you want, you can draw the table, then you will put all the digits in the proper place value, then you're going to write, or else you can directly start from the left hand side. First you have to see the number of digits, how many digits are there, then you have to see whether what is the place value, where is U, where is TH, where is L. According to that you have to write the answer. Now here it is written in words and you have to write in terms of number, 1,35,855. So first I will draw the table. Then I will going to start writing the number in the proper place or digit in the proper place. So in the place of L I will write 5. Why? Because in the question it is written 1 lakh. Then 35. So for TTH, that in 10,000, it is 3. TH 5. 800. So 100 place we are going to write 8. 55. That means 5 and 5. So again, while writing the word into a number, you have to start from left hand side. So according to the number, you have to write the answer. Okay. Now if you will going to write in this way, here you have to draw the table, you have put the proper digit in the proper place value. Now you have to write in terms of word, in terms of number, not word, in terms of word, number. So is this way of writing is right? Wrong. Earlier what I have told you have to write in terms of commas. So 1 comma, that is 1 lakh, then 35,855. So always remember, while writing a bigger number, whether it is 6 digit, whether it is 4 digit, you have to separate the number with commas. 7,27,000. Table, then 7 lakh. So L is 7, 27,000. So 2, then 7. Now up next, the number is not given in terms of words. So you will left like this? No. In that place, what you are going to write? 0, 0, 0. Again, this is a very important thing. If the in a number words, if the digits are not present, place values are not present, in that place you have to write 0. So here your answer 7,27,000, that is with 0, 0, 0. 4,25,300. If you want, you can draw the table, then you will put the digit in the proper place. Otherwise, directly you can write. So here it is 4 lakh. That means you have to write 4. Then 25,000. So you will going to write 25 separated with commas. 300. Again the two terms are missing over here, that is unit and 10. So in that place we are going to write 0, 0. 9,09,099. So quickly see the answer. It is 909. Why 09? Because it is 9,000, not the 90,000. If it is 90,000, then you will going to write 90. But it is 9,000, so you will write 09. And for 99, so here one term is missing again, that is the 100. So in that place you will going to write 0, then 9 and 9. Now quickly you will note down these two questions and you have to write the answer. Again I will tell you, if you want you can prepare the table, write all the place value, put the digit in the proper place value, and then you are going to write. Otherwise you can write directly. Okay. Now if you are going to see here 25 comma 79 comma 899. Earlier one we have seen saw the 6 digits number. Here how many digits number are there? 7. So 7 means one more new place value. So first is unit, then we have tens, then we have 100, next we have 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. These are all the 6 digits place value, and the new one is 10 lakh. For 7 digit place value, the new place value is known as a 10 lakh. Here again 25 comma 79 comma 899, 7 digits. So we will draw quickly, we will draw the table. Again that indicates U, T, H, TH, TTH, L, and that TL is 10 lakh. Again we are going to put all the digits in the proper place value. So here we will start from the right hand side. First come 9, then again 9, then 8, then 9, 752. Again, see the next question. Again 7 digits. So if you want, you can draw the table, or if you want, you can directly write the answer, because earlier we can see how to write the answer. So if you want, you can directly write the answer. Here again the 7 digits are separated with commas, so easily we can identify. 30 means in terms of 30 lakh, 70 means 70,506. Now next question is 45, comma 71, comma 504. Here the answer 45 lakh 71,504. Next two questions. You have to write this in terms of words. Now look at the new question. Write the place value of the underlined digit. As you know, what is a digit? A single number. First you have to see how many digits are here. 7. And you have to write the place value. So how you will going to write the place value? Place value of 7 is 70, comma 00, comma 000, or 70 lakh. First you have to count the numbers, or in simple way if I am going to explain, you have to write the place value of 7. So what you are going to do? You have to write the place value of this 7. So what you are going to do? You will count the how many number after 7. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many digits are there? 6. According to that you have to write that 0, and the place is 70 lakh. This is not a correct way, but in simple way I am going to explain. You can write in this way also, where the digit is given and below if the digit is marked, and you have to write the answer for that, the digit, and then you will count the how many numbers or digit are there. So it's quite simple for you. Here the marked digit is 4. Now how you are going to write? 4, and after that how many numbers or digits are there? 5. So you will going to write 5 zeros separated with comma, or in terms of words you will going to write 4 lakh. You can write in both way. You can write, if you want you can write in number, or if you want you can write in terms of words. It's better if you are going to write in both the ways, so you can easily identify. Can you guess the place value? Yes, the place value is 50,000 or 50,000 with 4 zeros. Now here we have done 6 digit numbers, how to write 6 digits number, similarly for 7, and how to write the place value. Now before start with a new thing, just I want again to listen a small story. Sara, Ahmed, Akash come to Sara's house to enjoy and study. After some time, Sara's mother came. "Hello children, I have been waiting for you," said Sara's mother excitedly. "What happened, mother?" asked Sara. Mother tells them that she has an interesting game for them to play. 4 numbers have been written on the paper and hanging with the help of string. Sara's mother gave them the ball each and says you have to hit the number which represent 210,000 plus 400 with the ball. What Sara's mother says? Sara's mother says you have to hit the number which represent 210,000 plus 400 with the ball. Sara, Ahmed and Akash are confused as they don't know how to find out which number is this. Then Sara's mother explained them how to write the number. So dear student, This is the way of writing the expanded form. We can say this is the expanded form. Suppose the number is 58,49,651. Expanded means you have to expand the number. So again, first you are going to see the digits, 7 digits. According to that, you have to prepare a table. Here I have to prepare the table for digit, place and place value. Quickly I will first write the digit. So first is, I will start from right hand side. So 1, then 5, 6, 9, 4, 8 and 5. Then I will write all the place. That is U, then T, H, TH, TTH, L, TL. According to the digit, you have to write the place. Now, what is place value? See this. For unit, you will going to write 1. But of course, it is 1, so you have to write 1. 50. Why 50? Because 10. 10 means 1 0 or 2 0 is 20. For tens, only one single 0 will come. So, for place value of 5, you will going to write 50. 100. 100 means 0 0. So, always remember, for while writing for 100 place value, you have to write 0 0. Similarly, for 1000, it is 9 and 3 zeros. For 1000, it is 3 zeros. 10,000, 4 zeros. So after 1 0, you have to put a comma, then you have to add 3 more zeros. For lakh, it is 5 zeros, and for 10 lakh, it is 6 zeros. As you can see in the earlier example also, if you are going to write the number in the proper place value, so how are you going to write 5? The place is 10 lakh, and how many digits along with 5? It is 7. Similarly, if you are going to say about the 9, place is 1000. So including 9, the how many digits? 4. But we have to write in the expanded form. Our question is expanded form. So this is the way of writing 50 lakh, then 8 lakh, 40,000, 9,651. But the main important thing, you have to write plus sign in between this. This is the expanded form. After addition of all the numbers, again you will going to get the question. So if your question is there, you have to write the expanded form. You have to draw the table. You have to write all the digit in the proper place, then place value, and then you have to write in the with the help of plus sign. So here our question is, write the numbers in their expanded form. Here the question. So quickly you will see what the answer. Here it is 7 digits number. So we will start with 5, that is 10 lakh place. From left side you have to start 5, then you have to put 6 zeros, then plus, then 6, then 5 zeros, then 4, then 4 zeros plus 3, then 2 and 10 and 5. So this is the way to write the expanded form, separated with plus and with zeros. Have a look this. Again, here how many digits are there? Only 5. So no need to write from 10 lakh. So how are you going to write? 7, then 4 zeros plus 0 plus 800 plus 10 plus 5. If you are going to see your student, I have written only a single 0. No need to write 0, comma 0, 0, 0. This is wrong. Just a single 0 is enough to indicate the position. But you have to write. Okay? Condition is you have to write. If you are going to write in this way by skipping this 0, then the answer is wrong. So it is compulsory that you have to write the 0. Now next question. If you want, you can quickly write the answer. Here are the answers. Again, how many digits? 7. So we have to start in terms of 10 lakh, 10 lakh, then 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and unit. And all the number with 0 is addition. That means add. Plus sign is compulsory. Again, I'm telling you students, you have to write the plus sign, because if if you're not going to write the plus sign, your answer is wrong. Now again, I have given the two questions. Quickly write the answer in your notebook, everyone. Okay, I think you are maybe confused, right? Confusion about place and place value, because place means what and place value means what. So let us suppose here is a number and I have circled 7. I want to know the place and place value of 7. So place and place value, what is mean by that? So student, place is H. That means third number, third position. I have circled the 7 and its position is third. Third means H. I mean explaining it in other way. 1, 2, 3. 3 means H. H means what? 100. So place of 7 is 100 and place value of 7 is 700. Is this clear? No need to confusion abhi. Now again I'm going to tell you, suppose if you're going to write the place for this 3, so you will going to count, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. 5 means 10,000. So the place of 3 is 10,000 and place value is 3 with 4 zeros. Write the place name and place value of each digit in the following number. Here the question. Now first of all you have to see how many digits are there? 5. So according to that we will going to prepare the table. Digit, place and place value. I have written only 5 because the 5 digits are there. That is U, T, H, T, H and TTH. First we will put all the digits in the proper place. So I will start from right hand side. 5, then 0, then 7, then 5, then 3. Now you have to write the place value. As earlier I have told you, means unit, just you have to write the single number. For 10 you have to write 0 and then number. Here in tens place 0 is given, so I have written only 0. For 100 you have to write 0, 0. 1000 you have to write 3 zeros that indicate 1000, and for 10,000 you have to write 4 zeros. Here the next question. Here the 6 digits are present. We will draw the table. We will write the digit in the proper place. 9, 9, 8, 2, 8, 7. Now you have to write the place name. So this is the place name. U, T, H, T, H, T, T, H, L. Now quickly write everyone the place value. For unit it is 9. For tens it is 90. For H it is 100, that is 800. For TH it is 2 with 3 zeros. For 8 it is 8 with 4 zeros, that indicates 10,000. And the last one is 7 with 5 zeros separated with commas. Here I have again given the two questions for you. Quickly write the question and afterwards we are going to write the answer. The expanded form of the number is given. You have to write the number. Now the expanded form is given and you have to write in terms of number. So first you will be going to see whether all the digits are in a proper place. All the place values are present or no. So here as you can see, the 9. 9 means U. 70 means 10. 600 means 100. This is TH and this is TTH. That means all the place values are present, any place name are present, and you have to write this in a number. So as you can see here, I will rub this. I will rub this. As you can see here, arrows are given. That means the digits represent, and I have already told you that all the place names are present. So we will write 64,679. Now quickly we'll see the next question. Here again you have to see whether all the place name are present. So U is present, then 2 zeros are present, then 3 0, then 4 0, then 5 0. Some place is missing over here. Yes, as you can see, U is present, 100 is there, TH is there, TTH is there, L is there, and the missing term is T, that is tens place. So while writing the expanded form in a simple way, what you are going to write? 9, 27, 805. Why 0? Because 10 place is not over here, but you have to write 0. So don't forget the place. If the place value of the place name is not mentioned in the question, you have to write 0 in that place. Quickly see the question as well as the answer. As you have seen here, question is written with 500. Again here 2 place name are missing, that is unit and 10. In that place I have written 0 0. See next question. Okay, now can you tell me which thing you observed, or what this picture indicate what according to you in terms of maths? Yes, both the persons are walking as well as animals are also walking. But if you're going to say the difference, one person is a small and another one is a bigger. Similarly, that shows in the animal also, bigger and smaller. So in our mathematical language, if you're going to see, there are symbol for bigger and smaller. Here this is a symbol for smaller digit, here the symbol for bigger digit. So no need to tell even 5 is bigger than 7. No, 5 is smaller than 7, and you will put the symbol for bigger and smaller. It easily visible, or easily we can understand that this is the smaller number or this is the bigger number. Now next question is, you have to write the proper symbol in the box. Here the question, 4 digit and 5 digit. 4 digit means 1000, so 5705. And next here right hand side, 15,705. So which one is bigger or which one is smaller? Yes, 15,000 is a bigger number. Again, 22,74,705, and here it is 12,74,705. So which symbol will come here? Yes, 22 is greater than 12. Here the next question. Quickly you will see the answer. Yes, 35, that means left hand side answer is correct. That is a bigger one. Similarly the next, 99,999 and 9,99,909. So here, okay. So student, today we have learned the number work. In that we have learned how to write the 6 and 7 digits number in terms of word or in terms of number. Then we have seen about the expanded form, how to write the number in the expanded form, or how to write the expanded form in the number. And also we have saw about this, the last one, that is the comparing smaller and greater. Thank you everyone.